Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to go over how to install your Hans anchor points. So here you have a Hans anchor point, and right here, this is where your Hans device is going to lock into. The one that I use is a Schroth SHR Flex. I bought it because it was a really good price for what you're getting. So one of the things you have to watch out for when you are shipped your Hans device, your Hans posts might actually be stuck together. Make sure you just pull them apart so that you can install them. Also, on the screws here, you see there is a little bit of blue thread locker on there, and the hex size, I believe, is a 532 or 564, or you can use a M4. So when you're installing, first you're going to want to make sure that this locking piece is facing towards the rear. So once you make sure that this is facing towards the rear, you're going to want to hand thread this in so you don't strip your threading. And then it's starting to lose grip, so I'm going to start to use my hex key. Again, this is this one that I'm using is an M4. And you don't want to over torque this either. So that's snug, and I'm going to do 1/2 turn, or maybe a 1/6, whatever 1/6 is. So that seems nice and tight. Anchor point isn't moving anywhere. Now just flip your helmet to the other side. Again, find the hole with your screw. And ensure that your anchor point is facing towards the rear. As such, you want it from about 0 or to 45 degrees. We have it as close as 0 as possible. Ooh. Okay, now we're going to use the hex key. And that's about as tight as it'll go. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to test fit this afterwards. Right here is where the clip in is going to start, and you want to make sure that this piece here is facing downwards, because the tethers are going to be pulling down onto your helmet to prevent your head from pushing forward in the case of a frontal or rear impact. So here's the helmet with the Hans posts attached, and in 3, 2, 1. Now you can see the Hans device is attached and it's pointing down, and that's how you know that your Hans post was attached correctly. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.